Hi, my name is Reena. My mother's name is Mary, and we came here for her knee condition. She had a kneecap replacement in Bangalore in 2007, and in between, she had a fall, and post that, she had a lot of issues with her right knee. She's been struggling for quite a while. Till last week, we met with Dr. Kirthi, and he suggested that we get another implant done. And this had to be done really quickly, given the risk that she might fall anytime, and it could cause further damage to her bones. So we decided to do it really quickly, and I must appreciate the way Dr. Kirthi and his whole team kind of supported us in the entire journey. The surgery happened on Tuesday, and was really tough given that it's a second time, a little more complicated than earlier, and mom's pain bearing capacity, definitely 15 years back and now there is that dip, but in spite of that, I think I received a lot of support from the folks here in the hospital. Dr. Kirthi has been amazing. He did share me the video of how the implant is working. It's been terrible pain for my mother, but the whole group has provided all the support needed. We went through our own struggles, and see her go through that was emotionally traumatizing for us, but I must appreciate the nurses in the night were amazing. I should mention Binsi for sure. Really very warm, and she held my mother well. So be it the person who came for physiotherapy, I think it's Bipash, and even the cleaning and the entire ambience, hospitality overall has been great. The people supporting my mother, I'm really in a good, very gratifying place. Of course, there's healing to do, and I believe we'll get the support to help us sail through this. So a big thank you to the whole team.